right, let's put across more newsbreak that is just coming in. This one with respect to the situation that prevails in Kyrgyzstan. Now, note amid the mob violence which has been quite rampant in the country, the JNK Student Association has now written to External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, urging him to evacuate Kashmiri students from Kyrgyzstan amid the mob violence and distressing situation that still prevails. So yes, while the External Affairs Minister had earlier did issue a statement saying that all measures are in place and that the Indian Embassy must be approached in Kyrgyzstan in case need be. The JNK Students Association have now written to External Affairs Minister. Let's go across to Zeenat, who's joining us live from Srinagar. Zeenat, take us through the details of this letter, which we understand has been penned by the JNK Students Association to the EM.
Of course, the letter has been penned down by the president of the JNK Association to MEA Jaishankar, who has been told to help to these distressed students, because the evacuation of the students of around 180 in number have taken place, and in those number the Kashmiri students have not been evacuated, and now the families of these students are being reaching to the association asking to provide a helping hand, because the families are completely in distress. There is a local mob that has got violent, with the result it has damaged the properties, and there has been an attack on students also. So the families in distress are urging Jaishankar to help them to get the students back to India. So there have been the evacuation process that has started already. The students from different countries have been returned to their own countries, who have been there in the Kyrgyzstan, I beg your pardon, for their studies and other things. But now this JNK Student Association have also written to the Minister of MEA Jaishankar to help them to get these students back to their homeland.
Hello, Moto.
Motorola, India's best 5G smartphone brand.
And on to international news, this one coming in from Vietnam's Hanoi, where a massive fire has claimed 14 lives. This after an overnight fire was reported in a small apartment building in Hanoi, which has killed 14 people and injured 3 others. The official Vietnam news agency said that the fire started at 12:30 a.m. local time and led to explosions as well. While it took an hour to extinguish the flames, 14 people have lost their lives in this tragedy.
It has got a seminar. But friend, coming to the question, that will it remain? Is the excellence of today is the guarantee that it will continue to remain excellent tomorrow? Not necessarily.